How to manage offline speak recognition on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage offline speak recognition on Google Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and now click this one, settings, and then click here, voice. And as you see here, you can find this one, offline speak recognition. Just click on it and you can manage it anything you want, and you can download any language you want, and you can delete it again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.